Trading was super hard until I learned this one concept. Traditionally, you're taught that an uptrend looks something like this kind of linear zigzag motion upwards. But we all know the market is not that simple, because if it was, you could just buy here, sell here, and be on your way. Instead, you want to see the market in this M and W framework. We're constantly making these M's and W's that look something like this. Now, what's the logic behind this? Most retail traders, like I said, are going to think the market moves like this. So they are going to be buying on the first pullback down. Now, what do we know about retail traders? They almost always lose. So what ends up happening is that they will buy the first pullback down, the market will actually move up for a second, but then go right back down and stop out those retail traders. This is what we call a complex pullback. Now, this is when you, the smart trader, wants to start looking for buy positions. Whether there's a level of support over there, maybe a level of supply and demand, it doesn't really matter. The point is, you want to avoid that first touch, that first pullback, and buy on the second pullback. And here's a perfect example of this. We see that we have a strong push higher, and we see this initial pullback into an area of support. This is when most retail traders are buying the market. The market moves up higher for just a few minutes before ultimately having that second push lower, wiping out anyone who bought in this area, and providing the opportunity for you, the trader who knows better, to capture that complex pullback and look for an entry point on that second push. Ultimately, that is when you get the big push higher to make new highs.